guitar, Lean on Me by Calvin Harris featuring Swae. This one is kind of an old school soft song in my head. I don't know why, but it just feels like that. Yeah, anyway, capo here on 4th fret to match up with the sound, the best chords possible. And we have 4 chords. So let's start with those. We have the E minor 7, so it's very easy. It's just open E and then second A and open D, open G, open B, and open E. So the only thing you need to hold there is the second A. Everything else is open. That's the E minor 7. Then we have the D minor 7. So that is open D, second G, first B, and first E. And I usually bar the last 2 strings there on the 1st fret, the B and E string, like this. Then we have the C major 7. So that is the 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. So open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Great. All right, so this song starts with this intro, which is played also in the chorus. So E minor is the first chord. Let's look at the strumming. 1 round goes like this. Down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay? So it's down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. Okay? So down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. So when you do the downs, you usually do the full downs, and the ups are kind of just churns like this. You just hit the top strings like that, okay? So you don't go up like that, okay? So just some technique stuff there. Now, when we have the strumming, we'll play the E minor 1 round, strumming round, the D minor 7, 1 strumming round, and the C major 7, 2 rounds. That is 1 chord progression. For the intro, you're gonna play 2 rounds. So let's go for 2 rounds. So that is the intro, and guess what? That is also the chorus. Okay, so the E minor, the D minor 7, the C major in the same way, same amount of times, 2 rounds. That is the first chorus as well, that comes right after. Then we have the first verse, and you're gonna play just downs for this one. Okay, so the chords will be D, 4 downs, E minor 7, 4 downs, and the C major 7, 8 downs. Okay, that you're gonna play for 4 rounds, this chord progression. So D4, E minor 7, 4, and C major 7, 8 for 4 rounds. Let's go for a couple of rounds, just downs. 2, 3, 4, E minor 2, 3, 4, C major 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think that is enough, that you get the idea there, and it's not that much new to this song. The second chorus comes right after, played in the same way as the first one. We have a post chorus right after that one, and we're gonna play just downs, the E minor 7, the D minor 7, and the C major 7, 4 E minors, 4 D minors, and just 1 down on the C major 7, because it's a pause right after, and then comes an instrumental break. So this instrumental break is played in the same way as the verse play. So that is the D, E minor 7, and C major 7. And you're gonna do 4 rounds of that. And the end is just a third course played in the same way as the previous courses. And it follows by outro parts where you just play downs. 1 down on E minor 7, 1 down on the D minor 7, and 2 downs on C major. And you do that for 2 rounds. And that's it for Lean on Me by Harris and Lee. So good luck and play tuned.